What's going on, YouTube? Out here at the greenhouse again. Come on now, you gotta laugh with me at this one. We all knew this was coming. Roof's gone. Alright, well, means it's time to throw a new one on. What the heck, I could leave it off. It is summer. But, no, I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on. Mainly because when I have my containers inside there, I don't want them to overfill with water. So that's pretty much the only reason I'm putting a new roof on. I don't really think it's helping anything really at this point, but that's the only thing it's helping. So yeah, it's off yet again. And I know everybody keeps telling me just use the correct stuff. Well, I'll be perfectly honest. What are we on? Year 4 now with the greenhouse, and I put on what, 6, 8 roofs, something like that. I still have not come up on half of the price that it costs to put a real one on here. So, in case you're wondering why I haven't put a real greenhouse, well, I don't have the money. And this stuff is a lot cheaper. Especially because I have a it's 12 feet wide by 24 foot greenhouse. That means I need, 36 feet by, 36 by 18, I believe? And that's pretty dang expensive. It's not like I have a little tiny greenhouse, so yeah. We got 6 feet, in case you're wondering. It's because it's connected right here. So it's like 6 feet to the top, 24 feet down, 6 feet down again. So that's about what it is. So yay, another roof off. But the good news is we get to fix this. This is the heavy duty plastic. This isn't the thin stuff that you just put down when you're painting. Well, I guess this is the stuff you put down when you're painting, but this isn't the thin stuff. This is the thickest you can get. I forget what mil it is, but it's the heavy stuff. So anyway, let's go ahead and put this into fast motion on the Faux Pro, and let's throw this roof on. Alright, so far we're ripping the plastic off, and so far I've got this giant mantis here. That is one big mantis. Look at that guy eyeing me up. I'm eyeing you up, buddy. We've got that guy, gutters full of debris. And way down here we have got a little tree frog. Hey little guy, you're on camera, smile. Anyway, just figured I'd throw that out there. Let's get to it. Oh, by the way, I'm not showing taking off the plastic because that's just boring. I've got furring strips right here that go across. They're on the ground right now. I just take them off one at a time, lay them right on the ground, and put them right back on. So you'll see me doing that in just 1 second. Alrighty, here we go. Top's off. I didn't waste your time by showing what I was doing. All you can see is furring strips here. I put them down in the order that they need to go back on. Yeah, I've done it that many times. But I put all the furring strips in order, took them all off. That's the boring part. It just takes a while. Ended up ripping the back wall apart. I forgot when I did the last roof. I went all the way down, not just the 6 foot, but I went all the way to the bottom. Totally forgot about that. So the back wall that was intact now has a nice big rip in the middle of it. Yay me. But yeah, I'm gonna show that off. We'll do that at the end, I guess. Weird things to note. Right down here, you can see I've got my 2x4s that are cut at an angle like that. That's where my exhaust fan is, and that is where I secure the plastic so it doesn't suck into the fan. Just don't think I've ever shown that off. I think I showed it off one time, maybe 2 or 3 years ago. But yeah, roof's off. Got my ladder set up over here. Another ladder set up in the back. I've got my plastic already laid out. I got 6 feet extra on this side. I even used a tape measure. All the way down here. Did another 6 feet on the back end here. There's my tape measure. See? I wasn't lying. I got a little bit of plastic left over. We're gonna have to check that out. Check this out. Alright, yeah. There's my big old rip that I did, and it needs to be secured by the furring strip anyway, so no need to try to do anything about that right this second. We're just going to go ahead and put it back together. So I'm just going to stare at the ground at my shadow right now as I make my way back around to the front. This is all getting boring. Let me not waste your time anymore. Let's go ahead, hop right into this stuff, and yeah, like I said before, I didn't mean it till now. Let's hop over to the Faux Pro. Let's put it in fast forward motion, and I'll show you how I put this roof on by myself. Yeah, I'm going to try to go for record time this time. So, I don't know. I'm going to guess right now. Oh, you can also see... Where's it at? Where's it at? Right there. I've got a clamp. Where's it at? There it is. Clamp right there. Here, I'll zoom on it. I've got a clamp on the pipe right there. It's just kind of hanging on there. That's what I use to help myself out. That's why I can do it one-handed. I just pull the plastic up, clamp it, pull the plastic up on the back, clamp it, front, back, blah, blah, blah. You'll see in a second. All right, let's get into this. Faux Pro time. I believe I'm going to speed it up 4 times. So whatever the amount of time that it takes, it was 4 times longer than that. So here we go. Alrighty, here we go. Frogs barking in the background. There we go, roof on. That's how I do it pretty much every time. Usually I just pull it over this way, start on this side, pull it all back to that side, and you saw the rest. So that's it. Roof is on. You're back in business. One thing I do have to point out in the back there, maybe I'll show it in one of my, maybe the Lava Rock Aquaponic update. There's already a hole in a daggone thing. That wasn't made by me. Well, I guess it was, I don't know. But I didn't do it. I just noticed it when I pulled it up. So far, one hole already. So anyway, thanks so much for hanging out with me, checking out how I throw my roof on. Hopefully this gives any of you guys some inspiration to do it yourself or whatever. Yeah, there's greenhouse, roof on. So as always, don't forget to throw a comment down below. Make sure you go into that comment section down below. Make sure you subscribe to everybody down there. I'm sure they will do the same to you. Get this social media experiment going. Also, don't forget to do all that like, favorite, share, all that fun stuff. I did cut out right here for my exhaust fan that's not working at the moment, but I need a replacement, so have to get that working. But at least we got a flap cut. You can see the flap. But yeah, if for some reason you feel I need to get some money, why don't you click that Amazon link down below. That'll take you to a search for Master Blend, and you can go ahead and buy some Master Blend, or you can search anything you want. I get credit for driving them traffic. They throw me kickbacks on the back end. I don't know how it works. It just does. But do all that fun stuff. Bitcoin link down below. Yeah, do the comment thing. Sub up to everybody. And that's about it. Yeah. I will see you all in the next video. Got all kind of stuff coming out. We're in the middle of the 30-30 challenge. I just noticed I have to fix my door here. It's starting to come apart. Actually, I should take this plastic off for the time being, because I do have screen right here. You can see that. So, but anyway, yeah, middle of the 30-30 challenge. If you want to jump in yourself, please. It's 30 videos, 30 days. That's the only rules. You can think it out ahead of time. You can just start on a whim like I do. You can do whatever you want. 30 videos in one day, 30 videos in 30 days. That's the only rule. So do all that stuff. Subscribe, like, comment, share, all that fun stuff. We'll catch y'all in the next video. So, till then, later.